What is the term for the thinning of the protective ozone layer in the stratosphere? The correct answer is D, ozone depletion. The process where excess nutrients cause dense plant growth and death of animal life from lack of oxygen is The correct answer is C, eutrophication. Which agreement aims to phase out the production of ozone-depleting substances? The correct answer is A, Montreal Protocol. What is the term for the permanent destruction of forests to make land available for other uses? The correct answer is D, deforestation. Which of these greenhouse gases has the highest global warming potential, GWP? The correct answer is B, sulfur hexafluoride, SF6. What is the leading cause of species extinction today? The correct answer is C, habitat loss. The concept of carrying capacity in ecology refers to The correct answer is A, max population an environment can sustain. What is the pollution caused by runoff from fields and roads rather than a single source? The correct answer is B, non-point source. What is the primary pollutant in photochemical smog? The correct answer is C, ground-level ozone. The conversion of marginal land into desert-like conditions due to climate or human activity is The correct answer is C, desertification. Which process is central to the concept of carbon sequestration? The correct answer is D, capturing and storing CO2. What is the term for pollutants becoming increasingly concentrated at higher levels in the food chain? The correct answer is C, biomagnification. What is a main benefit of using composting for waste management? The correct answer is C, create soil amendment, fertilizer. Which of these is a clean energy source that relies on the heat from the Earth's interior? The correct answer is C, geothermal. The melting of glaciers and ice sheets contributes directly to ... The correct answer is A, sea level rise. What is the chemical element primarily responsible for the destruction of the ozone layer? The correct answer is D, chlorine. The introduction of harmful substances or heat into the water is known as ... The correct answer is B, water pollution. What is the process of restoring a polluted ecosystem to its natural state called? The correct answer is B, ecological restoration. A substance that breaks down naturally in the environment through microbial action is... The correct answer is C, biodegradable. Which practice involves cutting down only some trees in a forest, leaving others to grow? The correct answer is B, selective logging. The primary cause of coral bleaching is... The correct answer is A, increased ocean temperature. What is the Green Revolution primarily criticized for in environmental terms? The correct answer is A, high use of chemical fertilizers, pesticides. A wetland area where fresh water meets salt water is called an ... The correct answer is D, estuary. What is the main environmental drawback of fracking, hydraulic fracturing? The correct answer is B, groundwater contamination. The 3 R's of waste management are reduce, reuse, and the correct answer is C, recycle. What type of energy relies on the gravitational pull of the moon and sun? The correct answer is A, tidal. What is the term for the variety of life in the world or in a particular habitat? The correct answer is A, biodiversity. What is the primary concern regarding microplastics in the environment? The correct answer is C, ingestion by marine life. The Dust Bowl environmental disaster in the 1930s USA was caused by dot. The correct answer is C, severe drought and poor farming. What does CITES stand for in the context of environmental protection? The correct answer is A, Convention on International Trade in Endangered Species. Which farming method avoids synthetic pesticides and fertilizers? The correct answer is A, organic. A species that is native to a particular geographic region and not found elsewhere is the correct answer is C, endemic. What is the primary function of a catalytic converter in a car? The correct answer is A, reduce toxic air emissions. What is biogas primarily composed of? The correct answer is C, methane and carbon dioxide. The concept of ecological footprint measures The correct answer is B, human demand on nature's resources. Which layer of the atmosphere contains the protective ozone layer? The correct answer is C, stratosphere. What is the primary environmental drawback of single-use plastics? The correct answer is A, long decomposition time and pollution. The concept that environmental problems disproportionately affect marginalized communities is the correct answer is D, environmental justice. What is a carbon offset? The correct answer is A, reduction in emissions to compensate elsewhere. The term Anthropocene refers to the geological epoch dominated by which factor? The correct answer is A, human activity. Which non-renewable energy source is considered the cleanest due to lower carbon emissions? The correct answer is A, natural gas. What is the primary environmental benefit of a green roof on a building? The correct answer is B, reduces stormwater runoff and heats homes. Which environmental practice involves turning waste materials into new materials of lesser quality? The correct answer is C, downcycling. What is the main driver of ocean acidification? The correct answer is D, absorption of excess CO2 from the atmosphere. The term for when a species no longer exists anywhere on Earth is The correct answer is D, extinct. What is permafrost? The correct answer is A, permanently frozen ground. The primary threat from melting permafrost is the release of which potent greenhouse gas? The correct answer is D, methane. Which international conference established the term sustainable development? The correct answer is C, Rio Earth Summit 1992. What is the process of generating energy by burning non-recyclable waste called? The correct answer is D, waste to energy. The collapse of a major fishery due to excessive harvesting is an example of. The correct answer is A, overfishing.